across your hand.
From coast to coast, we're surrounded by messages about health and wellness. One of the most popular solutions? Supplements, promising better health, more energy, and a longer life. Walk into any pharmacy or health food store, and you'll see shelves lined with bottles, each one shouting for your attention with bold claims and bright labels. The supplement industry is a multi-billion-dollar business, built on the promise of easy nutrition and glowing health. But can a pill really replace a plate of colorful vegetables or a fresh piece of fruit? Or are we just buying hope in a bottle? Are we being misled by clever marketing and empty promises? Today we're pulling back the curtain to see what's really inside these supplements and whether they're truly effective. Let's uncover the truth about supplements together. What are fruit, vegetable, and mineral supplements really? At their core, these products are concentrated forms of foods, like fruits and vegetables, processed into powders or capsules to deliver nutrients in a convenient package. But what actually goes into that bottle? The process starts with raw ingredients, fruits, vegetables, minerals, or herbs, sourced from farms or suppliers around the world. These ingredients are washed, dried, and ground into powders, or their extracts are concentrated into liquids. Next, the concentrated ingredients are blended with other substances, called excipients, to help with texture, stability, and absorption. These can include fillers, binders, anti-caking agents, and sometimes artificial colors or flavors. For example, magnesium stearate is a common additive that helps powders flow smoothly into capsules. Silicon dioxide prevents clumping. But not all additives are necessary, and some people prefer supplements with minimal extra ingredients. Once blended, the mixture is pressed into tablets, filled into capsules, or packaged as powders. Quality control is supposed to ensure each batch contains the right amount of active ingredients, but standards can vary widely between manufacturers. Some companies invest in rigorous third-party testing, while others may cut corners. Look for seals from organizations like NSF, USP, or Consumer Lab. These indicate the product has been independently tested for purity and potency. Now let's talk about the different types of supplements you might see on store shelves. Multivitamins combine many nutrients in one pill. Single nutrient supplements focus on just one, like vitamin D or iron. Herbal supplements use plant extracts such as echinacea or ginseng. Specialty supplements might target specific needs like probiotics for gut health or omega-3 SS for heart support. Each type has its own purpose and risks. For example, herbal supplements can interact with medications, and high-dose single-nutrient pills may cause imbalances if not needed. So, how do you know what's really in that bottle? Start by reading the supplement facts label. This panel lists the active ingredients, their amounts, and the percent daily value. It should also show other ingredients like fillers or binders. Watch out for red flags, vague claims like proprietary blend without exact amounts, promises of miracle cures, or labels that say clinically proven without citing real studies. If a supplement claims to treat, cure, or prevent a disease, that's a major warning sign. By law, supplements can't make those promises. When in doubt, compare labels, research the brand, and consult a healthcare professional. Remember, the best supplements are transparent about their ingredients and backed by credible testing. The process removes water and concentrates nutrients, but also strips away much of the natural complexity found in real food. The result is a pill or powder that promises a quick nutritional boost. But here's a crucial fact. Supplements are regulated as food, not drugs. That means they don't require FDA approval for safety or effectiveness before reaching store shelves. Manufacturers are responsible for their own claims in product safety, so it's up to us as consumers to stay informed and cautious when choosing supplements. Supplement labels make bold promises, boosting immunity, increasing energy, detoxifying your body, and even anti-aging. They suggest a concentrated dose of nutrients will supercharge your health, protect you from illness, and keep you young. Many claim to fill nutritional gaps and help you feel more alert and focused. Some even hint at managing chronic conditions using carefully crafted language to imply powerful benefits. These claims are especially tempting for anyone struggling with health issues or looking for a quick fix. But are these promises backed by real science, or just clever marketing? Let's dig deeper and separate fact from fiction. Don't be fooled by hope in a bottle. When we look at the science, the story changes. Large studies show that for most healthy people, fruit, vegetable, and multivitamin supplements don't reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, or other major illnesses. High-dose antioxidant supplements have sometimes even caused harm, like increased cancer risk in smokers. Supplements are crucial only in specific diagnosed cases, like iron for anemia or folic acid for pregnancy. The real benefits come from whole foods, not pills. Nature's complex mix of nutrients and phytochemicals can't be replicated in a capsule. The magic is in the food itself. Let's break it down. Supplements offer isolated nutrients, often in high doses, like taking a single note from a symphony. Real foods, on the other hand, deliver a complex blend of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and thousands of phytochemicals that work together for your health. When you eat an apple or broccoli, you get more than just vitamin C. You get fiber, antioxidants, and unique compounds that can't be bottled. These nutrients work in harmony, supporting your body in ways a pill simply can't match. Scientific studies show that diets rich in fruits and vegetables lower the risk of chronic disease. Supplements, however, don't consistently offer the same protection, and in some cases, high doses can even cause harm. For lasting health, fill your plate with a colorful variety of whole foods, not just a handful of pills. When it comes to nourishing your body, real food wins every time. Nutrition experts and major health organizations agree. Supplements aren't a magic bullet. Multivitamins can't replace a healthy lifestyle. Registered dietitians advocate a food-first approach since nutrients in food are more easily absorbed and work together for better health. Supplements are only for specific targeted needs, not as a foundation for nutrition. Groups like the American Heart Association and American Cancer Society don't recommend supplements for disease prevention. Their advice: eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Even experts open to supplements, like Dr. Walter Willett, say a basic multivitamin is just insurance, not a substitute for healthy eating. Supplements are, at best, a minor supporting actor. The starring role always belongs to your diet and lifestyle. Real health starts with real food. Many people think supplements are always safe, but that's not true. High doses of vitamins like A or D can be toxic, causing serious health problems. Supplements can interact dangerously with medications. St. John's wort, for example, can interfere with antidepressants and birth control. The lack of strict regulation means some products are contaminated or mislabeled. Some even contain harmful substances like heavy metals or illegal drugs. Relying on supplements can give a false sense of security, making you neglect real healthy habits. Always talk to your doctor before starting any supplement. Your health deserves more than blind trust in a bottle. How do you make smart choices? Start with your diet. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, eat whole grains, and choose lean proteins. Before taking any supplement, talk to your doctor and get tested for real deficiencies. Never self-diagnose or treat medical conditions with supplements alone. If you need a supplement, pick a reputable brand with third-party testing. Look for seals from NSF, USP, or Consumer Lab. Be skeptical of products promising miracles or quick fixes. Remember, the supplement industry's goal is to sell, not to protect your health. Rely on advice from medical professionals and evidence-based sources. Make decisions based on science, not marketing. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it wisely. Stay informed, stay critical, and put your trust in real food. Supplements are tools, not shortcuts. Build your foundation on what's proven to work. So, what's the verdict? For most healthy people, the big promises of supplements just don't hold up. A pill can't replace a healthy diet. The real path to wellness is a plate full of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, and lean proteins. The synergy of nutrients in real food can't be bottled. Supplements matter only for specific diagnosed needs under medical guidance. Don't let marketing distract you from what really works. Take charge of your health with informed choices and a balanced lifestyle. Eat well, move more, and talk openly with your doctor. The secret to a vibrant, long life isn't in a pill. It's in your daily habits. Choose real food and choose real health.